Let us see question number 96 to 100. Read the following line graph, then answer the questions given below it. There are two watch manufacturing companies, G-Shock and Casio. The sale of the watches by these two different companies in different years is given in the graph below. So here we are having two companies. One is G-Shock, one is Casio. G-Shock is represented by the rhombus shape and Casio is by the square shape. Now these are the values, number of watches sold in different years from 12 to 16. Let us draw one table first. First one is the year. Next one is G-Shock. Next one is Casio. Next one should be the total. Year, G-Shock, Casio, and the total. So below the years, write down the years from 2012, 2013, 14, 15, and 16. Two 2012, 13, 14, 15, 16, and total also. Last one should be the total. Last one is the total. Now let us take the values. So first this is G-Shock. So this is 2500, 2500. Then this one 2000. Then this one is 4000. This one is 3500. And this one is exactly 5000. Come to Casio. So these are all Casio value. The first value 3500. First value 3500. Next value is 3000. Next value, this one, it is 5500. Then this one is exactly 5000. This one is exactly 4500. You do the total. This one is 6000. This one is 5000. 9500. 8500. 9500. Now this total, let us do the vertical total. See, 3500 plus 2500 is 6000. 8 to 12, 17,000. This is 17,000. Come to this one. 5500, 3500 is 9,000. 12,000, 17, 21,500. 21,500. Totally we will get 38,500. Now let us move to the first question. What is the ratio of the sales of G-Shock in 12 and Casio in 14? G-Shock in 12 and Casio in 14. G-Shock in 12, 2500. Casio in 14, 5500. Totally we will get 8000. To that of sales of Casio in 12 and G-Shock in 15. Casio in 12, 3500. G-Shock in 15, that is 3500. Totally we are going to get 7000. So ratio 8:7. Option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1. Let us see the next question. What is the difference? What is the difference between G-Shock in 17 and Casio in 17 if the sales of G-Shock and Casio increase by 10%, 20% and 10% with respect to 2016. Now G-Shock in 2016 is 5000. It is increased by 20%. If it is increased by 20%, it will be 6000. This is G-Shock value. If you come to Casio, the value is 4500. it is increased by 10%. Increase by 10% means you can take like this. So 10% increase. 10% is nothing but 450. It will give 4,950. So one value is 6,000. One value 4,950. We have to find the difference. So difference you can clearly see it is 1,050. 1,050 is the correct answer. Let us see the next one. The total sales of both companies, the total sales of both companies in 2015 is what percent more than total sales of both companies in 2013? 2015 total sales is 8,500. 8,500, that is 2015. 2013 total sales is 5,000. Now you make answer two zeros. 5 17s, 5 10s. 17 is how much more than 10? 7. From where it is more? 10. What percentage? So the answer is 70%. Option 3. Option 3. Next question, 99. Find the difference between the total sales of G-Shock from 12 to 14. G-Shock from 12 to 14. So these are the three values. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2,500, it is 8,500. That is G-Shock. Now, Casio from which year? 13 to 15. Casio from 13 to 15. So 13, 14, 15. 13, 14, 15. 8,000. See what is the value? 13, 14, 15. Casio from 13 to 15. 3,000. 5,500 and 5,000. So it will be 13,500. So this value is 13,500. So difference. What is the difference of 13,500 and 8,500? The answer is 5,000. 5,000 is the correct answer. Option 4. Next question. If the sales of G-Shock is increased by 25% in 2012, 25% in 2012 over 2011. So G-Shock value in 2011 in 2012. So increase by 25% means this will be 5 parts, this will be 4 parts. In 2012 it is given 2,500. That means in 2011 it will be 2,000. That is about G-Shock value. Then find the percentage increase in the sales of G-Shock in 15 with respect to 11. So with respect to 11, what is 15 value? So 15 value G-Shock in 2015 is 3,500. 3,500. Now we have to compare 11 and 15. So two zeros cancel. 5 fours, 5 sevens. The question is find the increase in sale. So 7, previously it was 4, now it is 7. The increase is 3. From where it has been increased? 4. So 3 by 4 is always equal to 75%. Option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2. Next question. 101 to 105. Study the graph carefully, then answer the questions that follow. The line graph shows the number of girls who study in various streams in Delhi, from Delhi and other states. So this is from Delhi. This is from Delhi in 2015. One, there are some students from other states. Other one, they are the local students from Delhi. In 2016 also, there are other state students, also Delhi students. That numbers are given clearly. Just you have to follow the line graph. What is the difference between the average number of girls who study in various streams in Delhi University in 2015 from other states? We have to take other states. Other states means dot values. All dot values we should add. 245, 685 like that. So see all dot values. 245, 685, 1750, then 140, the last one 160. If you do the total 10, 10, 15, 23, 27, 28, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 11, 17, 19. It is 2980. This is which year? 2015. This is 2015. Then average number of girls who study in Delhi University from 2016 from Delhi. Now here we have to take only Delhi value. That means all square values. In this figure, all square values. So let us take the calculation. 110, 280, 1050, 100, then 160. 0, 11, 19, 20, 3, 4, 6, 7. It is 1700. So one we got 2980, one we got 1700. First of all, you take the difference of 2980 and 1700. You will get 1280. So difference is 1280. We want the average. Average means 5. 1280 by 5. 525 is 125, 56. The answer is 256. Option 5 is the correct answer. Option 5. Let us see the next one. The number of girls who study in various streams in Delhi University from other states in 2015 from Daulat Ram College and Gargi College. Now we have to take 2015, that is this pie chart. 2015 Delhi University from other states. Other states means you have to take the dot value. From what two colleges? Daulat Ram College and Gargi College. Here, Daulat Ram College, the value is 140. Then Gargi College, the value is 160. So what is 150, 140 plus 160? 300. Then it is what percent of girls from the same college from other states in 2016. Now this is 2016. Other states. Other states means you have to take the dot value. Same two colleges. Daulat Ram College. Daulat Ram College we are having 190. Gargi College we are having 260. Total is 450. 450. Now the question is 300 is what percent of 450? You may cancel the 0. 15 2s, 15 3s. 2 by 3 is always equal to 66.67. Option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2. Next question. What is the ratio of the girls who study in various streams of Delhi University from Delhi in 2015? So, from Delhi. So, this is the value you have to take in 2015. All square values. All square values. That is 130, 285, 950, then followed by 200. The last one is 110. We take the total 5, 6, 14, 17, 2, 4, 13, 15, 16. 1675. So the number of girls who study in various streams from other states in 2016. This is other states in 2016. So all the values, that is 425, 830, 1970, 190, and last one 260. You do the total 5, 15, 22, 25, 27, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 14, 22, 26. It is 3675. We have to find the ratio for 1675 is to 3675. I am dividing with 25. 25 6 150. 25 sevens. This one 25 ones 25. 25 fours 25. So what is the answer? 67 is to 147. Option 1 is the correct answer. Option 1. Let us see the next one. The number of girls who study in various streams of Delhi University from other states in 2016. The other states in 2016 means all these values. 425, these are the values we should add. 425, 830, 1970, then 190. The last one is 260. Just now we calculated in the previous question only. 25, 27, 4, 5, 14, 22. It is 3675. It is approximate what percent of girls who study in various streams of Delhi University from Delhi in 2016. So Delhi University means the square values. There is 110, 280, 1050, 100 and 160. 0, 20, 3, 4, 7, 1700. 1700. The question is 3675 by 1700 into 100. So divide 3675 with 17. 17 2s 34. 17 1 17. 17 6. So approximately we are getting 216 point something. So option is 5. Next question. What is the sum of the average of the girls who study in various streams from Delhi in 2015 and the girls who study in various streams from other states in 2016? So other states in 2016 already you calculated, that is 3675. So this value is 3675. Now we have to calculate Delhi 2015 from Delhi in 2015. Various streams from Delhi 2015. So square value you should calculate. So the values are 130, then 285, 950, 200 and 110. So values 5, 14, 17, 2, 4, 13, 15, 16, 1675. So this is 1675, this is 3675. We want average. So first 1675 by 5. 5 3s 15. Again 5 3s 5 5s. This one 3675 divided by 5. 5 7s 35. 5 3s 5 5s. So the values are 335 plus 735. So we will get 1070. Either you can do in this way or we can do like this. 1675 plus 3675 divided by 5. We can do like this also. You will get the same answer, 1070. Next one, 106 to 110. Read the following pie chart carefully, then answer the questions. Here, in this pie chart, only male population of the village is given. This is only the male population. The ratio of the males and females is in the ratio of 10:7. That means 10 parts is 2500. Each part is 250. 7 parts. 7 parts will be 1750. So males are 2500. Females are 1750. Let us move to the first question. If the ratio between the male population and female population of B is 7:3, then female population of B is what percent of total female population? Now we are talking about B. B males. So we can take like this, 2500 into 35% or 25 into 35. 2500 is 35%. Percent means two zeros cancel. 25 into 35. This is the males. Here male and female ratio is given as 7:3. That means this total product is equal to 7 parts. We want females 3 parts. So into 3 by 7. 7 ones 7 5s. So we will get 25 into 15. The value is 375. This is what percent of? This 375 is what percent of? Total females. Total females is 1750. 1750 into 100. Now we have to do the calculation. 0, 0 cancel. 25 sevens, 25 ones, 25 fives. So we will get 150 by 7. 21 3 by 7 is the correct answer. 21 3 by 7. Option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. The total male population of A and B is what percent more or less than total male population of C and D? This is direct calculation only. Male population of A and B. What is A plus B? 20 plus 35, 55. 55. Then C and D. So C is 15, D is 12. It is 27. The question is 55 is how much more than 27? So 28 more. From where? 27 into 100. So do the calculation. 2800 with 27. 27 tens to 70. 27 threes. 81. 19. The answer is 103, 19 by 27. Option 4. Find the difference between the average male population of B and C and average male population of D and E. Now, male population of B and C, 35 plus 15 is 50. 50. Then D and E, 12 and 18, that is 30. That is 30. So, difference, 50, 30 difference is 20. Since we want average, we are taking 2 divided by 2. It is 10%. 10% of which value? 2500, that is 250. 250 is the correct answer. Next question. The ratio of the female population of C to D is 2:3 and the ratio of the female population of D to E is 4:5. Then find the total female population of D and C. Here what is given? The ratio of female population of C and D. Female population of C, female population of D. It is given the ratio 2:3. Then there is one more ratio, female population of D to male population of E. Female population of D to male population of E. The ratio is given as 4:5. Out of these 4 values, we cannot calculate females because this is males. We can calculate this value, the males of E. So 25 into 18. 25 into 18. See, 25 into 18. 18 5s 450. So the male population of E is 450. Male population of E, 25 into 18, that is 450. So this is 450. 5 parts, 4 parts will be 360. Then here, female population of D. So 3 parts equal to 360. 2 parts will be equal to 240. Now we want the total female population of D and C. Total female population of D and C. That means 360 plus 240. The answer is 600. Option 5. Next question. The male population of G is 7 by 9% more than male population of E. So already male population of E you calculated in the previous question. Male population of E we got 450. We got 450. 7 by 9% more. 7 by 9 means 70 by 900 or 7 by 90. 7 by 90 more means 97 by 90. We will get 485. This is now the male population of G. 485. This is what percent of total population, male population of the given village. Now the question is 485 is what percent of 2500? So divide 485 with 25. 25 ones 25. Then 25 nines to 25. 19 10 by 25 or 19 2 by 5 or 19.4. All are same. So option 4. Next question 111 to 115. The pie chart given shows the percentage investment of a government entity in crores in different sector. So there are different sectors like banking, defense, railway, insurance and food grain. So first of all we will take the table. First is the sector, next in percentage value, next in amount value. First one is the sector, next one is the percentage, next one is the amount. We will write down the table in terms of both percentage and amount. First one is banking, next one is defense, next one is railway, insurance, food and grain and development sector. Okay, banking sector percentage is given 13.5, 20%, 12%, 17%, 23.5, 14. It is in terms, it is given as 1000 crores. So 1000 crores is nothing but 100%. 1% is 10. 1000 crores is 100%. Therefore, 1% equal to 10. So the values are 135. This is 200, just multiply with 10, 170, 235, 140. Now, let us move to the questions. What is the ratio of the average investment on banking and defense sector together and average investment on insurance, railway development? First, banking and defense. Banking is 135, defense is 200, total 335 divided by 2, average. Then insurance, railway, development. Insurance, railway and development. Insurance 170, railways 120, development 140. So total we are going to get 430. This is also the average 430 by 3. You have to find this ratio. So 335 by 2 into 3 by 430. Let us do the calculation with 5. 5 6 5 7s, 5 8s, 5 6. So 67 into 3 is 201, 86 into 2 172. The answer is 201 is to 172. Option is 2. Option is 2. Let us see the next question. Let us see the next question. What is the percentage of investment in banking to that of railways? We have to find the percentage of investment in banking to railways. So banking, you can take now percentages, 13.5. Railways, 12. Railways, 12. What percent means into 100? So that is 1350 by 12. So 1350 by 12. Now, let us do the calculation. 12 ones 12, again 12 ones 12, 12 twos 24, 6. It is 112.5. 112.5 is the correct answer, but exact answer is not there. So, none of this. Next question. What is the central angle of food and grain sector? See here, food and grain sector is 23.5. You have to find angle. Angle is nothing but 23.5% into 360. Angle is nothing but in terms of degrees. 0, 0 cancel. 5 twos, 5 fours, 5 sevens, 2 ones to 18. So 4.7 into 18. 18 sevens, 126. 84.6 degrees is the correct answer. 84.6 degrees. Next question. If the investment in railways and defense sector is increased by 15% and 25% respectively, then find how much is the increase in the total investment. Railways, it is 120. It is increased by 15%. We have to take only increase value. 25s, 26, 5 ones, 5 3, 18. In railways, 18 is increased. Then defense, 25%. Defense is 200, only increase value 25. So total 50. This is 50, not 25, 50. So total increase 50 plus 18, 68 over total budget. Total budget was 1000 crores into 100. We will get 6.8%. 6.8% means answer 1. See 115 question. If the government reduces the investment on defense sector by 20%, actually what is the defense sector value? 200. 200. Reducing by 20%. So 10% is 20. 20% means 40. We are reducing 40. So that 40 crores is distributed on railways and insurance. This reduced value 40 crores is distributed on railways and insurance in the ratio of 5:3. So what is 5 plus 3? 8. 40 by 8 is 5. Therefore, this is 25. This is 15. Now, investment in insurance sector changes by what percent? Actually, insurance was 170. Now, there is an increase of 15. Now, there is increase of 15. This is what percent? So, into 100. 0, 0 cancel. You divide 150 with 17. Divide 150 with 17. 17 eights 136. Again 17 eights. So we are going to get 8.8%. So this is the answer, 8.8%, and the value is increased. So 8.8 increase is the correct answer. Okay, let us discuss the remaining in the next class.